Are you looking for the best gardening gloves? In this video, we will break down the top 4 best gardening gloves on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Amazing stuff for you. Garden gloves. This glove's made of a breathable and sturdy knit fabric with an extra durable yet flexible protective coating on the palms and fingers. These unisex garden gloves are tough to beat. The coating is grippy but not too sticky, allowing you to handle tools and plants comfortably. They come in small, medium, or large, and you'll get 2 pairs with every order. We also like that these long-lasting, versatile gloves are machine washable. When they get muddy or too dirty to wear, just toss them in the wash and grab your spare pair. At number 2. G&F Women Garden Gloves. Ideal for the lady gardener in your life, these lovely gloves from G&F Products would make a fun Mother's Day gift, housewarming gift, or hostess gift, or just to stock up on for yourself. Thanks to the added grip that the set of PVC dots across each palm provides, you won't struggle to keep hold of your tools even during wet and windy weather. Be aware, though, because they're made from 100% cotton, they aren't waterproof. For less than $10, you might be surprised to learn that you actually get a pack of 3 pairs, a set each of green, pink, and blue. Use them for different jobs or save them for future seasons, either way you're covered for a while. These gloves would probably be best for people who aren't doing particularly vigorous gardening tasks. Although they keep you safe from scratches and other surface nicks, they're unlikely to offer much protection for your hands when put through the test. At number 3. Mytops Bamboo Gardening Gloves. These comfortable, thin gloves offer good protection without costing you dexterity, and they perform almost as well as the more expensive goatskin gloves we tried at a price that can't be beat. Pack of 6. Atlas Nitrile Garden Gloves are comfortable and able to fit most hands. They're also thin and grippy enough to give you protection and dexterity for most garden tasks. They're not the top performer in any one area, but they were second best in every test we put them through. Unlike many cheap cotton gloves, they go through washing machines with nary a pulled thread. And at this price, if one disappears you'll be able to replace it easily. For people who need a different size, the small and large versions are just as affordable. At number 4. Pine Tree Tools Bamboo Gardening Gloves. This pair of Pine Tree Tools gardening gloves reminded us that these outdoor work essentials can be both affordable and hard-working. These thin, lightweight gloves fit like a second skin and are super flexible, allowing us to grip small items, including the safety lock on pruning shears, as efficiently as we could grasp larger tool handles. The slip-resistant nitrile coating on the palm and fingers provided a secure grip and offered enough traction to pull wet weeds as quickly as dry ones. The soft, breathable, hypoallergenic bamboo fabric on the back helped keep our hands dry and cool even after wearing the gloves for 30 minutes. The downside was the so-called touchscreen sensitivity. We tried numerous times on 4 different smartphones and 2 tablets, and the fingertips could never successfully swipe screens to answer calls or activate our devices. That negative aside, we found these Pine Tree Tools gloves top-notch for performing gardening tasks at an attractive price. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.